Hi there. Onisha Biggs here with another Pharmacy Tech lesson. So today's lesson is going to be about Roman numerals. Now I know most of you know what Roman numerals are. I know you've probably noticed them, let's see, with the Super Bowl. They'll have like Super Bowl 49 and then they'll have the Roman numeral. So today we're going to discuss how those can be used in pharmacy and what they actually are in corresponding to the basic numbers that we use in our everyday life. So let's get started. Now, as you can see here, we have our basic side. So this is our basic numerical system that we use in our everyday life when we're counting money, when we're counting items. You'll also use this too in the pharmacy when counting medications or looking at the doses. But also here on this side, we have the corresponding Roman numerals that go with that basic numerical system, okay? So I'll just name them out briefly for you while you take your notes, just for time's sake. So right here we have 1/2. The Roman numeral that corresponds with that is SS. Here we have 1, and we have an I that corresponds with 1. And I'll just draw a line with these actually. For the number 5, we have V, 10, X, 50, L, 100, C, 500, D, and 1000, M. So see, there are 8 fairly simple ones. There are 8 Roman numerals in total actually. And what we're going to get into now is how these will be utilized in the pharmacy and how to actually read them when they're bunched together. Okay, so it's not hard at all. Just make sure that you're paying attention. It'll be very useful for you. Okay, so now that we know how to actually read the letters, we know what they actually stand for with the Roman numerals. Now we're going to get into how to read them across when they're bunched together, okay? Different combinations of Roman numerals. I know some people get it confused. Should I add? Should I subtract? Am I reading it backwards or forwards? So that's what we're going to get into now, all right? Okay, great, you made it. So here we have, we're just going to jump right into it, okay? Here we have X and X. Now, we know from our chart previously discussed that X and X, X is 10, okay? So here we have 2 together. So that would be 10 plus 10, which gives us what? 20. So X and X, ultimately 20, okay? So that one was fairly simple. Let's go to a higher one. So now here we have M and M. M, we know is 1,000 according to our chart. So we have 1,000, let's get the marker there, plus 1,000, which gives us 2,000. So now our next one is, we're going to mix it up, okay? We're going to deal with some different Roman numerals bunched up together. So we have an X here, B, and I. Now, looking at our chart, X is 10 plus B is 5 plus I, which is 1. So 10 plus 5 plus 1 gives us 16. Good. Okay, so now here's where it gets a little tricky. These are the ones that people usually have issues with. So here we have V, which we recognize it to be 5, and X, which we recognize to be 10. But the difference from this one and these previous 3 that we've discussed are, these start low, so we start with 5, and then we end with a high number. So should we add them? No. What we want to do is, in this case, you subtract, okay? So when the numbers are going from smaller to higher, between those two intervals, you subtract. So in this case, we would say it would be backwards. It would be 10 minus 5, okay? Which would give us 5. Understood? Let's try one more to make sure you have it, okay? So in this case, also, likewise with this one, we have a C, which we see is 100. It's 100. And we have an M, which is 1,000. Now, what we're going to do is we'll say 1,000 minus 100 equals 900. And this is simply because the 100 came first. Now, if it were, let's say for example, if it were MC, then we would have what? M is 1,000, C is 100, then we would have 1,100. This is because the bigger Roman numeral came first. But in the case that the smaller comes first and the bigger is second, then you want to subtract. Okay? If you have any questions about this, leave me a comment below. If you have any more Roman numerals that you need help with or any other lessons that you would like to see, just leave a comment below or email me and let me know at onishabiggs@gmail.com. See, this is why you don't wear a black shirt. I mean, it's just lint everywhere. Where's my lint roller? Oh, hi. So before I forget, below there's a link to the special promotional offer that I promised to you guys on Facebook. And basically what it is, it's an ebook. It's for those who are aspiring pharmacy technicians, so meaning that you're not certified yet, or those who may be already certified technicians and just looking to go higher in the field of pharmacy. You want to know how you can land interviews more often. You want to know how you can get paid more, expand your horizon in the pharmacy tech field. And also you want to know how you can be receiving calls with people offering you pharmacy technician jobs. Okay, so I would admonish you to get in now. Not necessarily while you can, because the ebook will always be around, but the price will not always be as cheap as it is right now, okay? With that being said, click the link below. I'm Onisha Biggs, and I'll see you on the good side. Alright, so that's what we're going to get into today, okay? Not today, we're already here. After this case, now you're going to... Now we're going to get into whether... So that's what we're going to get into. You ready? I'm going to provide a link below. Oh, dude, I'm techs who may not be certified already, but are wanting to. Oh, and before I forget, let me link you to. Oh God, that was so smooth and natural. There's going to be an ebook that I'm going to link to below. I wrote this ebook especially for you guys that, and it will,